Vivo Y28s, Infinix Smart 9, Infinix Note 40X. This one 24 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, 12 plus 12, total 24 GB. This one 3 plus 3, 64 GB. And this one Vivo 8 plus 8, 256 GB. Color is brown. Infinix Smart 9, this color is black. And Infinix Hot 40X color is black, starlight black. Vivo Y28s, Infinix Smart 9 and Infinix Note 40X. These three phones now unboxing. And which one good? Vivo or Infinix?
Vivo.
Vivo.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vivo. Let's see. Give me mobile, I will activate.
Stop, huh?
No need for. Now I will activate. See guys. This one Infinix. This one Vivo.